How to delete Kindle books. So if you want to delete Kindle books, then first of all you need to open up your Kindle application, and after opening your application, now if you have downloaded something and if you want to delete that, then what you can do is you can go for downloads, which is on your library. So you can simply go for library, which is on the bottom row, and here you will have the downloaded option. You can simply go for downloaded, and then here you will have your downloaded books. So if you want to delete this book, then what you can do is you can simply tap and hold on to that book, and then here on the upper right side you will have a three dots icon. Simply tap on that, and then here you will have remove download option, so that it is removed from your downloads. But if you want to permanently delete that book, then you can simply tap on permanently delete, and then delete, and that's it. That's how you delete Kindle books. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.